Good afternoon. I'm Mayor Tim Baldermann. This is our 5th COVID update video. Today is April 13th. As of yesterday, April 12th, we've had 33 confirmed cases in New Lenox. That gives us a rate of 0.9 per 1,000 residents. That number is important because it shows that what you're doing is working. I had an opportunity to look at the numbers for 10 communities that completely surround us and even beyond there. And every one of those communities was at 1.2 per 1,000 residents or higher than that, up to 3.3 per 1,000 residents that have contracted this virus. Coupled with the fact that of 60 communities surveyed, New Lenox had the #1 census reporting done. That tells me that you're taking this stay-at-home order seriously. You're staying healthy and you're doing what we need you to do in order for us to be able to provide the services to you here in New Lenox. Staying at home is working. We need you to continue to do that. The governor has the stay-at-home order on through April 30th. We believe that there's a likelihood that could be extended. And even if it's not, or when the order ends, there will be a slow rollout back to everyday life. We won't be gathering in large numbers. That being said, the majority of our events that were planned for the Commons in June have been canceled, or most likely will be canceled if they were smaller. Our June 13th concert with Dennis DeYoung has been moved to the end of August. We'll announce all the concert dates as they're rescheduled, if they need to be rescheduled, and we will announce with plenty of notice when tickets will go on sale if we're able to go through with the Triple Play concert series this year. We're hopeful that we will, but it certainly won't be the first one in June. Our business loan program has been successful. We've had multiple small businesses that have applied for loans. The board will hear tonight about one that we're ready to process with a few more in the queue. So if you are a small business owner and you feel you are in need, especially as the stay-at-home order goes on longer, please visit our website and fill out that application. We'll be happy to work with you on that. We ordered masks for N95 masks for Silver Cross Hospital, as well as first responders and our small businesses. We've had over 30 small businesses that have contacted us for those masks. Like a lot of shipments coming into the United States, they've been delayed. As soon as we get those masks, we will contact you all immediately and make sure that we get those to you. We expect them to be coming in shortly, but obviously the entire country is seeing a delay of some of that very critical PPE equipment. I want to take a moment to say thank you to all of you who have tried to do something special for those that are out there in essential jobs. Our police department, our fire department, our healthcare workers have been inundated with masks that have been made at home, food that's been brought and dropped off there, the meal train. There have been cars that have congregated at Silver Cross Hospital as a show of support for the healthcare workers. I can tell you it's greatly appreciated by all of our first responders and healthcare workers. That being said, these people are heroes every day. They sign up for this type of crisis, for maybe not COVID-19, but for the worst of times. They expect to put themselves out there to protect all of us. I would ask that you remember that we need to have that respect for all of our first responders and healthcare workers when this is over. Because the fact is, they put themselves on the line for us every single day. What I think is important, and what I think is being missed, not necessarily here in New Lenox, but just around the country, are those people who did not sign up for this, but yet are still going out every day to work in essential jobs to make sure that we can have groceries, that we can get food, that if we need to get gas or go to the cleaners, those people don't get compensated at a high rate of pay. They did not expect that this would be in their job description, and yet they're working long hours. There's no parades for them. There's no meal trains for them. I'm not seeing much happening for those grocery workers, restaurant workers, those other essential people. Here's what we can do for them. Only go out when we need to. And when you do go out, realize that they are working very hard to enforce the social distancing guidelines that have been put forward. Please don't give them a hard time if they're out of the supplies that you need or if they ask you to separate yourselves. They're only doing their job. They are doing a tremendous job for all of us. What we can do for them is show them our gratitude and our patience, and maybe just say thanks. They're struggling to make ends meet. They don't get paid a lot of money, but they are putting themselves at great risk. Many times greater risk than even our first responders, because they're coming in contact with numbers, scores of people every single day. So let's show our appreciation to all of those other essential workers. I know that they would be grateful for that. As more information comes out, we'll continue to have these video updates. And as always, you can contact the Village of New Lenox, or you can email us at covid@newlenox.net. Please be safe, stay healthy, and know when these restrictions are lifted, we need to ease back into the way things were before. Thank you.